Let's look at this Jan 2008 question on logarithm. If log 64 with base s raised to the power 1 over 2 equals to 3, find the value of s. Solution. Log 64 base s raised to the power 1 over 2 equals to 3. Look at this question. Since it is the base that has the power, and from the law of logarithm, which says that when it is the base that has the power, we multiply the logarithm by the reciprocal of its power. So this will now be, and the reciprocal of 1 over 2 is 2. It will now be 2 times log 64 with base s equals to 3. To eliminate these two, we divide through by 2. Now be log 64 with base s equals to 3 over 2. From here now, we have to convert this logarithm to indices. And for us to convert this logarithm to indices, you transfer this base to this other side to raise this as a power to eliminate this log. So from here now, we have log 64 with base s equals to 3 over 2. So you transfer this to raise this as a power to eliminate this log. It will now be 64 equals to s raised to the power 3 over 2. And from our indices class, we said that there are 3 methods in resolving equations that involve indices. And one of the methods is power reciprocal multiplication, which says that you multiply through by the reciprocal of the power with the view of eliminating the power on the right hand side. So it's now be s 3 over 2 times the reciprocal, which is 2 over 3, equals to 64 raised to the power 2 over 3. So this will cancel this, and this will cancel this. Our question will now be s equals to 64 raised to the power 2 over 3. And from here now, we have fractional indices. And from that, our previous class of indices, we said that this, we call it the rest, which rests at the back of the root of 64 all raised to the power the numerator. And the cube root of 64 is 4 raised to the power the 2. S will now be, we give you 16. This is our answer to this question.